Hey, good afternoon folks. Welcome to Peapaw's Shop. Bought me a new toy, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing of it in case you got an interest in purchasing something like this. This is the 4G LTE pan and tilt wireless security camera. Now the reason I got this thing is because I've got chickens and I got varmints, and the varmints getting my chickens. So the first thing we see, we open the box, is user manual, and then let's do it like this. We got the solar panel. Okay, that's going to tip everything out. We got the solar panel. We got a nice long cord. Not sure how long it is, but I'm sure it'll be long enough. Extra charging cable. We got some mounting hardware. Okay, and of course we've got the camera itself. And there's the camera, neatly wrapped, packaged. Okay, camouflage. This is what I ordered. I don't know if it'll come the other way or not. Got the antennas on it. Got the port back here for plugging in your solar panel or your other charger. Up here we got our on-off switch, and looks like a spot for a small card to go there. So there's everything we need there. Got a banding strap strapped to the tree, mounting bracket to go on the tree, and of course a stand for the solar panel itself, so where you mount that. And that's what's in the box. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go set it up. But I thought I'd show y'all what's in the box. If you're looking for a surveillance camera of some type like this, maybe you got critters too, I don't know. But we're going to give this one a try. I think it'll work well for me. It works well for me. I believe it'll work well for you. And in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.